IBG News Gems of Global Power Series. Reported by Suman Munshi. Launch of Sandhayak. Yar 3025. First vessel of survey vessel. Large project for Indian Navy by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE, Kolkata. Sandhayak, the first of the four survey vessels, large projects being built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, GRSE, Kolkata for Indian Navy, was launched on 5 December 2021. She made her first contact with the waters of Hooghly River at 14:10 hours at the launch ceremony graced by Shri Ajay Bhatt, Honorable Raksha Rajya Mantri. In keeping with the naval maritime tradition, Shrimati Pushpa Bhatt, spouse of Shri Ajay Bhatt, launched the ship to the chanting of invocation from Atharva Veda, a holy book of Sanatan Hindu Dharma. The ship has taken its name from the first ship of the erstwhile Sandhayak class survey ships. The erstwhile Sandhayak, incidentally, was also launched at GRSE, Kolkata 44 years ago on 6 April 1977. The contract for building four survey ships was signed between MOD and GRSE on 30 October 2018 at a total cost of 2,435 crores rupees. As per the build strategy adopted by GRSE, the first ship is being built at GRSE Ltd, and the construction of a balance of three ships is envisaged at MS Larsen and Tobro Shipbuilding, Kattupalli. These ships will replace the existing Sandhayak-class survey ships and are equipped with new generation hydrographic equipment to collect oceanographic and geophysical data. The ships are 110 meters long, 16 meters wide, with a deep displacement of 3,300 tons and a complement of 235 personnel. The ship's propulsion system comprises two main engines in twin-shaft configuration and is designed for a cruise speed of 14 knots and a maximum speed of 18 knots. Bow and stern thrusters have been catered for better maneuvering at low speeds required during shallow water survey operations. The hull of these ships is made from indigenously developed DMR-249- a steel manufactured by Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL. The primary role of these survey ships would be to conduct a full-scale coastal and deepwater hydrographic survey of ports and harbors and determination of navigational channels or routes. The ships would also be deployed for collecting oceanographic and geophysical data for defense, as well as civil applications. In their secondary role, these ships would be capable of performing roles such as search and rescue and disaster relief, besides serving as hospital ships with limited facilities during emergencies. The ships will have a retractable hangar for the stowage of a utility helicopter. Despite challenges because of the COVID-19 pandemic, GRSE has made substantial progress and aims to deliver Sandhayak by October 2022. The launch of the first survey vessel reinforces our resolve for indigenous shipbuilding as part of our Prime Minister's vision of Make in India and thrust to the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The survey vessels large will have over 80% indigenous content by cost. This will also ensure that large-scale defense production is executed by Indian manufacturing units, thereby generating employment and capability build-up within the country. It is noteworthy that 37 warships and submarines for the Indian Navy are currently under various stages of construction in different shipyards within the country.
और अंततः वो ऐतिहासिक क्षण आ गया है जिसका हम सभी को बेसब्री से इंतजार था। मैं सादर अनुरोध करना चाहूंगा मैडम श्रीमती पुष्पा भट्ट जी से कि वो बटन दबाकर इस अद्भुत अकल्पनीय प्रथम सर्वे वेसल लॉन्च यार्ड 3025 को जलावतरित करेंगे।
Sandhayak moving to the waters of Palestine, historic, absolutely
साक्षी बने। और ये देखिए आपके सामने संध्याएं, ये कल अद्भुत है और आज इतिहास रचा जा रहा है जीआरएसी में। असाधारण दृश्य, ऐतिहासिक पल और सम्माननीय जनसमूह और हमारे माननीय विशेष अतिथिगण। किसी पोत का जलावरण पोत निर्माण के प्रथम भाग के पूरा होने को दर्शाता है, जिसके अंतर्गत हम और उसका सुपर स्ट्रक्चर शामिल है। ये पोत अपने भव्य रूप में है। आज का दिन जीआरसी के सभी स्तर के कार्मिकों के लिए गौरवशाली दिन है। किसी पोत के जलावरण के लिए अत्यधिक और डिजाइन सामर्थ्य की आवश्यकता होती है। यह डिजाइनिंग, कार्य फैब्रिकेशन, उत्पादन, संस्थापन, क्रमबद्धता में महीनों की कड़ी मेहनत का परिणाम है और यह वास्तव में हम सभी के लिए प्रोत्साहनवर्धक है। पोत को इसके वर्तमान स्वरूप में लाने और जलावरण हेतु तैयार करने के लिए हम सभी के लिए यह बेहद गौरवशाली पल है। आज हम सभी गौरवान्वित हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the launching of the ship, signifying culmination of the first part of ship construction, which included hard superstructure. The ship looked truly majestic. It is a matter of great pride and joy for all ranks of GRSE. Launching a ship requires great technical and design competency. It is a culmination of months of hard work in designing, planning, fabrication, production, installation, alignment, and is a source of encouragement for one and all. It is truly a matter of great pride for all